Hello everyone. Van Mahotsav or Forest Festival is an annual tree planting festival celebrated in the month of July in which thousands of trees are planted all over the country. This year, Van Mahotsav week was celebrated from 1st July to 7th July to spread awareness about environment conservation. Now, I am going to recite a poem about trees. Trees, they are there every day and under them you can play. Their leaves can be green and trees are never mean. Please let them stay, so just don't fray. Keep them clean, don't let them lean. Let them thrive and they'll keep you alive. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishal Castellino and I am here to say about lemon plant. Lemon is a source of vitamin C, which is a good fighter against common cold. It can be sweet or sour, no matter the taste, it can be used of you. Lemon water is another magical product that has many benefits for the skin. Lemon's benefits are uncountable. It controls blood pressure of our body, it nourishes our brain and nerve system. When life gives you a lemon, make a lemonade. Lemonade is by far one of the most popular juice drink in the world. As you can see, there is a lemon plant behind me. From a small seed, it has been grown to such a huge plant. It is mostly available in summer season. Thank you.
Save the trees, save the earth. We are the guardians of nature's birth. Hello everyone, my name is Winston P. Fernandez and I'm studying in grade 10. Today, I'm going to give awareness on climate change, its causes and what we being humans can do to change its occurrence. Deforestation is the key contributor to human-caused climate change. When forests are cleared or burned, they release carbon that they store. Removing trees also diminishes an important carbon sink that takes up carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This is how deforestation and land degradation leads to global warming and then climate change. What we humans can do to stop this occurrence? Planting a tree is better than wearing a mask to be safe from pollution. Forests and trees help us to maintain ecological balance and keep the carbon footprints low, but still, trees are being cleared and burned without any concern.
Van Mahotsav is the annual tree planting festival celebrated in India in the first week of July. This is the movement which was initiated in the year 1950 by India's Union Minister for Agriculture, Kunapati Dr. K.M. Munshi. It is the festival which has gained immense national importance. Every year, millions of plants are planted all across India on the Van Mahotsav week. It is expected that every citizen to plant a sapling on this special day. It helps to spread awareness among people about the harms caused by the harmful pollution and cutting down of trees. Thank you.
I'm near a blackberry tree which is old for more than 150 years. See this tall and thick tree. Due to national storm, the branch of the tree has been fallen over here. I often come over here to collect blackberries during the season. The roots, leaves, leaves and the bark are used for medicine. The bark of the tree is used to treat diarrhea. The fruits are used to treat fluid retention. The fruits are also consumed to reduce diabetes.
Hello everyone, my name is Donald de Almeida from class 10 and I'm here to plant a capsicum plant.
Hello, I'm Leander Menezes of class 10P and I'm standing before you to say a few words about Van Mahotsava. Van Mahotsava means the festival of forest. Van Mahotsava is an annual festival of planting trees in a nationwide scale. was initiated in 1950. The theme of celebration of Van Mahotsava is to focus attention on the virtues of tree planting. The celebration of Van Mahotsava starts at the beginning of the rainy season, usually in the first week of July. Van Mahotsava is celebrated by planting saplings of common plants like peepal, mango and neem, etc. Now I'll be planting a sapling.
Hello everyone, my name is Sri Rao and I am from class 10th A. Here in front of you all to speak on the topic Vana Mahotsava. Vana Mahotsava is the festival of plants and the festival of life. This week is celebrated from 1st of July to 7th of July. During this week, thousands of saplings are grown all across the India. Trees are the precious gift that are given to the mankind and it's our responsibility to save them.
I am James Pinto from class 10A. I have planted curry leaves in the occasion of celebrating Vana Mahotsava. Some of its health benefits are, it helps in reducing the weight and it is good for diabetes. It cures wounds and burns and it is also good for eyesight. It also cures cancer and cholesterol and there are many such benefits of curry leaves.
Hello everyone, my name is Denali D'Souza. I'm from grade 10th year. I'm standing before you to speak a few words about the importance of Vana Mahotsav Week. The first week of July is called as the Vana Mahotsav Week, that is from July 1st to July 7th. Celebrating the importance of trees, the Vana Mahotsav Week was initiated in 1950 to celebrate the importance of growing and saving trees and to create awareness about the bad effects of deforestation, which was a great initiative.
Since it is the Vana Mahotsav week, I would like to plant a sapling.